So here we are logged into FlightDesk. This is a progressive web application, so it works across all different devices as long as you have internet connectivity. It doesn't matter if it's iPhone or Android or if you have a Windows phone, it'll work on that too. And it also works on desktop. That's what we're looking at today. This is actually the desktop view through Safari on my Mac. So what we have here, and this is what we're going to be using for the entirety of all these different modules coming up, is sample data based on the Santa Rosa County Emergency Management Office. So whenever you log in, this is the default screen that you'll see. This is your home screen. This gives you kind of a breakdown of everything. Yeah, pretty handy. Gives you like a quick overview of everything that's going on within your organization. So this module is Program Builder, so we're going to go to the dashboard. And then up here at the top, you'll see UAS Program Setup. So there's ideally two different types of users for this platform. There's the guys that already have a program, right? And the guys that want to start a program and don't know where to start. So that's what the UAS Program Setup was designed for, is that second option. So that's what we're going to cover real quick. If you don't know where to start, you log into your dashboard and you go through all of these 6 different phases from mission requirements, equipment selection, personnel and training. And this is where you enter all of your information in if it's not already in there from the discovery process. A lot of times this will be front loaded as part of that discovery process, so you can just kind of go through there and double check everything. This isn't designed to be an overnight success. This is designed to be a proper UAS or drone program, and it could take several weeks to months depending on the size of your program. Like I said, it covers 6 different phases, and then once you get done, again, this is all sample data. These will actually be tailored to your organizational needs like we talked about. You can see the different aircraft there. Yep, confirm equipment review. Our equipment's good. Oh, yep, there's our pilots. And then this gets into the chain of command for operational risk management and program visibility. So once you finish your program setup, you can take an audit once you've been going for a couple weeks. And that's what we're going to get into next.